Yeah, I'm gonna test this unit out, and what I did was I made this little coupling. It's a half-inch 20 thread, which is what I have on here, and I put a put an adapter to fit this airline. On the other end, it's just a 1/8 inch NPT. So what I do is I use this half-inch nut, and I just put it on there about halfway. Then I take this and I screw it into that. Okay, so I connected that. Then I put the airline on it, and we'll take it down to 0 pounds, and push that in. Of course you can, there's no pressure on it. So I'm going to put 10 pounds in there. And there's quite a bit of resistance there. So I'll put 20 pounds in there. And I can't do it with one hand. Oh, just barely. Now I can probably do it with two. That's about 5 pounds. We'll take it back up to about 15. Oh no, that's 25 pounds here. I thought that was that there was 10, but it's actually 20. So that's 20 pounds there. And I can move it with one finger, real tough. So it'll go up to 25 pounds. And it's a little tough. So I'll go up to 40 pounds. And I can't do it with one hand. I can move it two hands at 40. So we'll take it up to 50. Yeah, it's definitely tighter. So we'll go up to 80. Yeah, it's really tough at 80. We'll go up to Okay, I got interrupted and I forgot where I was, but we're at 40, 50, 60, 65, 70 pounds. We're at 70 pounds here. No, I can't move it at 70. We'll take it back down to 60. Yeah, it can be moved, but it's tough. Yeah, so what we're going to do here is we're going to check this in some water to see if those O-rings leak. Just using air pressure. So I'm going to start it off at 40 pounds. Now, of course, that's where the connection is. I expect that to leak. It's really hard to see in here because the lights are bad. They got they spend $140,000 for a new machine, and they can't spend $5 to fix the light up there. They got these new lights over here, these little short ones, these LED things, and they're really bright compared to the old ones over here. This is our new guy. We'll see how long this one lasts. The other ones didn't last very long. But anyway, what is this? 40, 80. We'll go up to 60. Up to 60 here. There, I got the connection out of the water and the rest of it in the water, and I don't see any leaks. So we'll go up to 80. Now here at work we got 120 pounds in the airline. I don't know why they do that. They only need 90. Well, it's still looking good. No leaks. That's the connection there. That's with it out of the water. It's connection out of the water. So the O-ring in the back and the O-ring in the front are working good. Just for the fun of it, I think we'll turn it up to. Hope I don't blow it up. That's 100 pounds. Nah, I still don't see any leaks. Okay, that's pretty good.